Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Super excited that you made it here today. Today we are going to be doing another wear test. I said that super weird. Today we are going to be doing another wear test, this time with the Physicians Formula Natural Defense Collection. Spoiler, I've actually worn this quite a bit and really like it. But I'm going to do the wear test for you guys on camera so that you can actually see how it wears. But you can kind of see I've actually used quite a bit of it since they sent it to me in the mail. This video is sponsored by Physicians Formula. They are one of my brand partners and I love them. I love Physicians Formula. I love so many of their products, are my holy grails and have been since long before we partnered. But I do appreciate them helping me to be able to bring you guys content on my blog and my YouTube channel. So thank you, Physicians Formula. And let's go ahead and dive into this video. So I have 4 parts to put on my face today. The first is going to be their Natural Defense Protect Your Prime Oil. And that is their primer oil, and it has sunscreen. It's SPF 15, which is great. And this one I actually haven't used before. So I've used the foundation, but I have not used the primer oil. So that'll be new, and we'll see how the whole collection works together as a whole. And then this is their Sheer Line of Defense Foundation with SPF 30. And I'm going to be using the shade Fair to Light. Okay, and then they also have concealers. So we have the Natural Defense Total Coverage Concealer with SPF 30, and I have the shades Fair and Light. I'm going to be using Light to cover my acne scars before I put the foundation on, and then I'm going to top the whole look with brightening my under eye and the center of my face with the Light shade. So that's what I'm doing with those. And then I'm going to do a couple check-ins. You guys kind of know how these wear tests go. I've done a bunch this year, actually, with different foundations. So, no stranger to the wear test. So let's go ahead and dive into this. Roll my sleeves up. Also, look how cute this sweatshirt is. It says, "Boy Mama." All day, every day. It's so cute. I love this sweatshirt. I actually ordered it at like 3 in the morning one night when I was feeding Jack, and was really excited when it showed up in the mail like 3 weeks later. So, oops, probably shouldn't do that many middle of the night online orders. My husband was like, "When did you buy this?" I don't want to talk about it. We're quarantined. Leave me alone. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and dive into this. Now, I do want to point out I really like that this whole line has SPF in it. I use SPF every day on my face anyways, but I think that it's really awesome if products come with it. It's just a little bit of added protection. However, we're not really seeing the sun right now, so I don't know that that helps us right in this moment, but it will be a great line for come summertime when hopefully we're allowed out of our houses. You know, here's hoping. So yeah, so anyways, I do love that it has sunscreen. Let's see. I love the smell of this line. It's not quite sunscreen smell. It smells really sweet, like summer, but maybe like coconuts and bananas. It smells delicious. So 10 out of 10. Love the scent. I don't usually love a lot of fragrance in my cosmetics, but mostly I'm more of a stickler of fragrance in my skincare. Cosmetics I'm not really as, you know, sticklery about it. Now, I also, if you caught my last video, I talked a little bit about starting to move in the direction of cruelty-free skincare and makeup. And I did look into Physicians Formula. Technically, they are considered cruelty-free in the United States, but there is some confusion about whether or not they are actually sold in mainland China. I know there have been some images, but then Physicians Formula came out with a big statement about it. So I am still waiting on a rep to get back to me on an official statement on whether or not they do sell in mainland China. So for now, I'm going to go by their statement on their website, and then if I get more information, I will update accordingly. But we're going to go by what they put out on their website and what the reps that I work with for our partnership have told me. And then I will, again, I asked for a couple more clarifying questions, and I will get back to you guys with what the reps say. But for now, I'm going to move forward, you know, putting faith in what the reps have told me, and then when I find out any other information, I'll let you guys know too. So, there's that. Let's actually get into putting foundation on our face, shall we? So we're going to start with the Protect Your Prime oil.
Stay one more night. Don't you know that my love is true? Let's make things right. I understand what you're going through. Stay one more night, and I know that it's not too late.
Now I wonder how this will affect me. I'm somebody with combination to oily skin, so we'll see how this oil sits on my face. I already know that I like the foundation without the oil. See how it looks. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Natural Defense Sheer Line of Defense Foundation in Fair to Light. So this is very sheer coverage. I'm going to go in with the concealer in light all over my acne spots, and then I'm going to do another layer of foundation. Oh, that helped a lot. Okay, I don't even think I'm going to add a second layer of foundation. That was perfect. Okay, I'm going to go in with the light concealer on my under eye and the center of my face. One thing I really do like about this applicator is I like that you can turn it on and off so you don't waste product like in the lid. I don't love this puffy part. I think it can get kind of gross, but the clicky on and off is nice.
Stay one more night. Don't you know that my love is true? Let's make things right. I understand what you're going through. Stay one more night.
The finish on this is so nice. It's like super glowy and dewy without looking too sheer. It's not heavy. It's like the ideal summer foundation. It's so nice and dewy. It like gives you this beautiful, healthy glow. Okay, I'm gonna hop off really quick, do the rest of my face makeup, and then I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look of what we're working with. Okay guys, so I finished the rest of my makeup off camera. Sorry, throat. And this is how the foundation looks with everything on it. I actually used All Physicians Formula products, so I did the butter bronzer, butter blush, butter highlight, as well as their brow product and their Rosé All Day glossy lip color too. So that is what the other stuff that's on my face. But this is what the foundation looks like all together. I'm going to zoom you guys in so that you can kind of see what it looks like upon first application, and then I'll check in about 3 hours. Okay, so that's what it looks like first applied. I'm gonna pop in like 3-ish hours. I think it's 11 o'clock-ish, so around 1 or 2, I'll pop back in. Hi guys, little late on this check-in because today happened, and there you have it. Come here, can I say hi in my video? This guy happened. I don't know if I put him in a video, not very much anyways. Can you say hi to everybody? Can you say hi? This is Jack. This is my son. We've had a day. We've had a day of no naps. So I forgot to do my check-in. It's 3:30, I believe now, instead of like 1 or 2. And it was 11 when I put this makeup on this morning. Squirmy worm. So I'm going to do check-in now. So let me go. It's been like 4.5-ish hours. And I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys how it's looking so far. I still think it looks pretty good. I haven't looked that close, honestly. I mean, I think it looks pretty good still, aside from my nose, which I'm gonna give my nose some grace because I've been blowing it all day from still getting over being sick. So, you know, just ignore my nose, I guess, because I'm not gonna reapply because I feel like that'll mess with it. But that's kind of what's been happening. So, you stop being such a turkey, and maybe you'll nap later. Yeah. All right. Let's zoom you in and see what we're working with here. An hour 4. I'm going to turn it down just a little to light.
Stay one more night. Don't you know that my love is true? Let's make things right. I understand what you're going through. Stay one more night, and I know that it's not too late. Let's make things right.
Alright, I will make a point to set an alarm to check in around like 6-ish, maybe 6:30-ish, around that time, so you guys can kind of see how it's like. Okay. Alright, see you in a minute. For you, not for me. Alright guys, this is the last check-in of the night for this foundation. I picked a zit here, so that looks really good. And all the foundation is off my nose, so A+, stellar. But the rest of my face looks alright, I think. We are at about 12 hours of wear now. What time is it? 11, and I put it on 11 this morning, so yeah, we're at 12 hours now. I wouldn't usually wear foundation like out this long, so I don't mind if it looks a little rough, but I wanted to check in and show you guys what it looks like if you are planning on wearing it for this long. It's a light coverage dewy foundation, so I didn't expect it to last all the way to the end of the night, but it doesn't look terrible. So I'm going to turn the lights down so you guys can kind of see a little bit more. Ooh, maybe I should keep the lights on. So there you go. That's the end of this wear test, guys. I hope that this was helpful in you guys figuring out if you want to get this foundation or not. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll catch up with you in my next video. Bye, guys.